In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Microsoft Word using a shortcut key. It's a simple process that can save you a lot of time, especially when you're working with lengthy documents and need to clean up or reorganize your work efficiently. So let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow to master this handy trick. First and foremost, let's begin by firing up your computer and heading towards the Windows Start menu. You might already be familiar with this. It's typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's here where all your applications live, waiting to be launched and put to work. Once you've clicked on the Start button, your next move is to locate Microsoft Word. But instead of scrolling through a sea of applications, there's a quicker way using the search bar. Right there in the Start menu, you'll find a search bar. Click into it and simply type Word. As you start typing, suggestions will pop up, and Microsoft Word should be among the top. Now, after typing Word, Microsoft Word should appear as one of the apps in your search results. Click on the Microsoft Word application to open it. If you've been using Word recently, it might even show up as a suggested app, making your job even easier. Once Microsoft Word is up and running, you'll find yourself at the Word home screen. This is essentially your starting point for anything you want to do within Word, whether it's starting a new document from scratch, opening an existing one, or selecting a template to work from. For the purpose of this tutorial, you'll want to either open an existing document that has the page you wish to delete, or start a new document to practice with. Here's an interesting part that might initially confuse you based on the instructions you've read or heard before. Although the original step mentions highlighting a text cell you want to merge, what we're actually focusing on is identifying the page you want to delete. This step is crucial because Word doesn't let you simply click on a page and delete it like you might delete a text box or image. Bear in mind the content is what Word recognizes, not the pages themselves, since the pages are essentially created based on how much content you have. Now, assuming you've found the unwanted page in your document, it's time to initiate the deletion process. Here's a little known trick that can make your life easier. Press F5 on your keyboard. This action brings up the Go To command in Word, a feature that allows you to jump to various parts of your document. In the box that appears, you're going to type page without the quotes. This magic word, so to speak, tells Word that you want to navigate by pages. Upon typing our page and hitting enter or clicking Go To, Word will select the entire page you're currently on. If it's not the page you want to delete, you can use the next and previous buttons in the Go To feature to navigate between pages. Once your unwanted page is selected, simply close the Go To window by hitting close or pressing ST on your keyboard. Now that the entire page content is highlighted, you're just one step away from deletion. With the content selected, press the delete key on your keyboard. Believe it or not, that's all you need to do. The entire page and its content will vanish, leaving your document a little cleaner and just the way you wanted. In summary, deleting a page in Microsoft Word might not be as straightforward as hitting a single delete button, but with the right shortcut key and a little knowledge of Word's navigation features, it becomes a quick and easy process. Remember, the key steps involve opening Word, navigating to your document, finding the unwanted page, using the Go To feature with the rpage command to select the page, and then simply hitting the delete key. I hope this tutorial has demystified the process for you and shown you another quick productivity hack in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your favorite tools and applications.